Out here at Charlie's U Pik It. Boy, it's nasty. People getting stuck. I'm about to go pick some tomatoes. Alright, this is what I got from the U Pik It. As well as squashes from my garden, and a few cucumbers came from my garden. But I did a few picklers and then slicers. I'm going to pickle the slicers, but I was going to try and see if I could do some whole pickles. But three things, that's a zucchini squash from my garden and stuff. But all the tomatoes are from the U Pik It. And we just had one for lunch with a cucumber, and it was excellent. Very great flavor. So they're good. All right. What I'm going to do with all of these is I'm going to save just a few for eating, slicing, eating salads, but the rest of them are getting jarred as soon as I can do it. $16 jars of pickles. Should be 17. One of them cracked. And I did 52 jars of tomatoes. This ain't all of them. I picked some of them up. So lots of tomatoes and lots of pickles. Pickles really came out nice. Nice. Oh, come on. This, jeez. Just won't stop. Won't stop. It's just the whole area. Just nothing. This is high ground sometimes, and it just doesn't stop. Oh. I mean, this is where I had a compost pile, and look, this is on dry ground, and right now it's that far up a boot. That far up a boot. This is okay. Man. Stop.